Style your vehicle with the Oracle Lighting Universal Pre-Runner Style LED Grille Light Kit for the ultimate customized look. This auxiliary grille light is a great addition to any Jeep. Its design features an updated housing and a diffused lens to give a more factory look. They're available with both clear and tinted lenses depending on the look you're going for. Arranged in a horizontal linear fashion, the 15 amber LEDs will update your Jeep for a more modern appearance. Turning these lights on will let others know that your Jeep is tough and means business, both on the pavement and on the rocks. Installation is simple and doesn't require significant modification, cutting, or drilling. The universal kit installs into the openings of the grille on most vehicles. The included wiring harness reduces installation time and features offset cable links to make cable management even easier. If you're interested in purchasing this universal LED grille light kit from Oracle Lighting or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.